I'm Rose Diaz, and welcome to Next Generation Mobile Computing. In today's show, we are going to focus on the excitement surrounding the new iPhone 3G launch and try to put it in perspective for the masses who can't wait to get their hands on the new iPhone 3G. First of all, as one patron stated as he stood patiently in line for 3 hours, only to get frustrated and leave before getting his unit, it's just a phone. We hopefully can give you the perspective to make an intelligent decision based on competitive opinions available to you and give you the insight to buy the right mobile computer based on your needs versus what the masses would like you to believe are the right choices.
Hi, I'm Rachel Weinstein, the Mobile Street reporter for Next Generation Mobile Computing. We're standing outside the Apple Store in Littleton, Colorado for the Friday morning rollout of the new iPhone 3G. Now here in just a few minutes, once this line dissipates, we're going to head inside and actually get to look at the new 3G phone. Until then, let's stop by and check out, see what some of these people think about waiting in line this morning. Right, here we are. We've got to talk to some of the people who've been waiting for the new iPhone 3G. What's your name?
My name is Ryan Long.
All right, Ryan, so you said you had some stories. What happened?
Well, last night we were all hanging out, and we were hanging out right over here, and I had my car pulled up right to the edge of this curb here, and we were dancing. We just thought we'd have a little party, entertain some of the crowd. We were dancing, whatever, and the mall security cop came up to us and said, you know, you're going to need to move your car, sir. And I was like, you know, all right, I'll move the car, you know. And he was a mall security cop. He had his hand on his flashlight, which I think he tried to scare me a little bit with his flashlight, but
oh, no.
I wasn't falling for that. So I walk over to my car. I'm not moving very quickly, you know, and I think it was making him mad that I wasn't like nervous.
Right.
Walking over to my car, and he's like, oh yeah, and then he's like, I'm calling the cops. So he jumps on the phone. He calls the Littleton police. 2 SUVs and a cop car show up, and we, as a joke, this might not have been a good idea, we decided to act like we were all sleeping. So we were all, yeah. So when he showed up, we were all like acting like we were out cold. Then he walks up to us and he's like, I'm tired of this, and he started using some profanity. I'm tired of this. And number one, and then he goes, I was a Philly cop from the East Coast. I'm not from the West Coast. And so we don't even know what this guy's talking about. So we're looking at him, and so I'm just like, what? He's like, are you smiling? And I was like, he's like, are you smiling? He's like, you're out of here!
Oh, no!
So I looked over at the cop, like, can this mall security cop really kick me out of, this is about 2:30 in the morning, you know, and the cop's like, you're out of here. He's like, I'll charge you for trespassing if you stay. So I had to like load up all my stuff, and we had a lot of stuff. We had like a grill, like we were doing s'mores, and you know, we were doing lots of fun stuff last night, making food, tea, coffee, different things like that.
So did you lose your place in line?
I did lose my place in line for a few hours, and then I came back and I got my place back in line.
You reclaimed it?
Yeah, I reclaimed around 5 something in the morning, and then.
Were you a hero?
Yeah, I'm a hero.
Our hero, Ryan, right?
Yeah, I'm
Ryan, the hero.
Yeah. So, yeah, because I was about number 14 in line, and right now they're having technical difficulties. So, I have my phone. I see it. I can touch the box. I'm not allowed to touch the iPhone yet. I can see the box, touch the box, but they're working on getting their systems to download.
So, have you always had an iPhone?
Yes, I had an iPhone starting in January. Before January, they didn't have all the upgrades and features that I wanted, but in January when they did that 1.13 software, whatever, then I jumped on it right away.
So what are you looking forward to the most with the new 3G?
GPS. I am horrible with directions. I can't get anywhere. I can go to the same place 5 times and still not know how to get there.
Me too.
Okay.
Yeah. You're in the same boat there.
So I like GPS, and so I'll be able to find my way around, and then obviously I like the internet, email, different features like that. Plus it's just a beautiful piece of machinery.
Oh yeah, what color are you getting?
I'm going to go black. Once you go black, you can't go back. And the white one is it's the 16 gig, a little more expensive, $100. I can't drop $100 for a white phone.
But you're still gonna party it up with the 3G, the black 3G, by the way.
3G, and that's actually what I'm gonna be calling this phone. I'm not calling it the iPhone. I'm calling it 3G. So, my 3G is ringing. Bam. You know what I'm saying? I like my new 3G. That's what I'm gonna be calling.
Ryan's gonna start a revolution. Where's your 3G?
Yeah, exactly. Where's your 3G? You need one. You want one. Get it.
Find your 3G.
Number guy, number one right here. Number two. Hope that jerk doesn't get out here again. Here comes a couple of cuties. Betcha. Some nice folks. Well, hold on. Wait. Look. I'm escorting you away from the pit. Anything I can do that's going to make you change your mind? I really need to get this. I need to get this iPhone. I'm going to go out with this girl because she's really, really expecting that I'm going to get her one. And if I don't get her one, then she's not going to go out with me. Okay? I'm calling security right now. Screw security. What? Hey, here's your iPhone back. Hey, let me get you a beer to wash that down with.
Here we are, standing outside the Apple Store in Littleton, Colorado. It's July 11th, about 10:30 in the morning. We've been here since last night at around 6 o'clock. Look at the line still well around the building, around the back. People are still showing up. You've got to believe worldwide demand has got to be incredible. If we're in Littleton, Colorado, and we've got this type of line, just imagine what it's like in New York City, Japan, other big city markets around the world. We've talked to number 1 and number 2 in line, and we've talked to other people in line as well. Everyone cannot wait to see the new iPhone 3G. What's it going to be like? Until next time, I'm Rachel Weinstein, Field Mobile Reporter with Next Generation Mobile Computing.
The iPhone 3G uses a Safari browser, which provides a simple, intuitive web browser that can be turned landscape or portrait, with a built-in Google search bar that provides a drop-down touchpad keyboard. The feature that makes the iPhone unique is in the ability to scale the text by tapping on the screen to fit the window for easy viewing, and the ability to scroll across the page by moving your finger like this. While this is a tremendous way to view websites that are designing their content with mobile users in mind, there are still a tremendous number of websites who are utilizing Adobe Flash heavily, and since the Safari browser doesn't support Flash at this time, it makes those sites unusable, especially for all that great Flash video content that is out there, with the exception, of course, of YouTube, which has made a specially provisioned mobile site that is compatible with the H.264 requirements of the Safari browser. Now, for most sites that are informational-based tech sites, this strategy works great. Apple has done a great job of convincing top sites to even create Cocoa Touch websites that utilize the same native application features through a web deployment, but practically 98% of the rest of the world has no clue how to develop these rich iPhone-level interfaces. With Adobe Flash's dominance in multimedia-rich website development, this could be a real stumbling block to look at content on a vast number of websites.